Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ibnu Abbas Farudin. In my class, Management 22B. Key issue in digital and environment. The micro and macro environment element outside of the organization that incredibly influence its operation. Micro environment internal factor that directly influence the organization such suppliers, competitors, employers, and customer. Social factor. Every country has people with different attitude and option to certain ideas, product, service, and communication. Some of the key elements include culture, differing such as a get and gender, social lifestyle, domestic structure. Affluence, wealth, religion. A good example of this is the change in customer buying behavior because of internal assay, legal and ethical factor. Legislative change can usually affect the business environment. For example, it took Spotify a number of years to launch in Canada because of the country royalty and copyright laws. Some of the key legal factors to consider are data protection and privacy law, particularly regular email, which has been replaced by General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR). Implement 25 Mei 2018 Disability and Discrimination Law Branded and Trademark Protection, Intellectual Property Right Control Law. Economy factor. This relate to the element of an economy and its condition. Example include market growth and employment, inflation rate, interest rates, monetary physical policy, foreign exchange rates. A good example from a commerce standpoint is the area of dynamic pricing. This is where a traditional e-commerce site uses algorithm to change the price of its product service based on different market conditions such as competition, pricing, supply and demand, spending habit, the time of day, location of pricing system. Political factor. An organization need to consider the political situation of country and the world in relation to the country areas to consider include government leadership, policy, tax law, internet governance from a digital marketing perspective. If an organization is operating a global market and using social media to connect and communicate with its customer, it is worth understanding which is constraint blog, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Technology factor. New technology is changing the way that people and business don't think, from connecting with other to processing product and service. Improvement in both hardware and software are key factor in the chain. Factor everything e-commerce being heavy bar. Credit card information being stolen. Infidelity thus had been a quality increase in encouragement criminality according to Kennedy 2002 in the UK 124 million was stolen by hackers in criminal via the internet in 2016. One 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 way to help provide software with confidence in the service and protect organization cybercrime is to SML authenticity to private phone message and encrypting all part of website. Fake online stores. Some people feel an action pricing from a virtual company that does not have physical address or location, so the fire purchase might not exist. Information will good sold and common fin in information is given for an online purchase. The customer will give provided with selection email, catalogs, and after from in parts on why to help overcome this far is appropriate a clean privacy policy and give customer the option to choose what information they would like to receive and how often what to receive it. Unsur what the product is really like when shop really on the one sensory aspect of shopping and because the real can feel, touch or even smell the product the worry that they are going to make the work. Let's order someone of it some online software word the hair order will get lost or will not arrive in time. More and more retail are offering different shipping of 14 and tracking to help customers feel more control key element of hair shopping experience. Need help from a salesperson generation to is buying online is on site set and some people like the kernel girl salesperson to this internet. Data privacy concerns. Data collection collects vast amount of personal data, often with even consequences connect about relational issue. Data sharing data is frequently shared across platform and organization, increasing in the the of rise of unique to horizon access and breakage. Data retention, combination range the previous living in the potential misses. Ethical ethical use as of I an algorithm. Bias in algorithm can people exchange social bias leading discriminatory outcomes and unfair treatment. Privacy implements a system collect and analyze vast amount of personal data, raising concerns about privacy violation and corruption. Transparency and expansibility lack of transparency in decision making processes make difficult to understand and change business or outcomes. Misinformation and disinformation. Social media platform are argue amply and spreads false of misleading information contributing to the spread of misinformation. Political manipulation. Misinformation is used to influence public opinion, undermine trust in institute, and sway election. Public health concerns. Misinformation about health issue like crisis or pandemic in can lead to harmful decisions and undermine public health interface. Digital device and accessibility. Unequal access lack of affordable internet access, digital literacy, and device ownership creator a digital divide including information from amputation, social and economic disparity. The digital divide exhibits education, social and economy including limiting access to education, healthcare and employment opportunities. Digital inclusion. Effort are needed to break in digital divide by expanding access, providing digital literate training, and ensuring inclusivity. Regular regulatory challenge in the digital landscape. Data protection. Regulation aim to protect personal data recurring convention to implement robust data privacy measures. Competition. Interest law address content about monopolistic practice in the digital market promotion for competition. Content moderator. Regulation of online including harmful present challenge and censorship. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.